Good day, thanks for joining us. My name is Mary Lou Edwards of Diversified Mortgage Group. I'd like to talk to you today about the loan process. Many people wonder why it takes so long to close a loan. Usually nowadays it takes from 30 to 45 days to close. So I'd like to take you through it step by step. The first part of the loan process is, of course, the application and the gathering of all the documents. There is a document checklist that I would typically give a client, and once you provide all the paperwork necessary as well as fill out the application form and an authorization to run your credit report, we put that all together and finally come and get you a pre-approval letter and deciding on which loan terms you'd like to go. So basically what I do is I tell you exactly how much you can afford, what the monthly payment is depending on which type of loan you prefer. Nowadays I think a lot of people are deciding on a 30-year fixed rather than an adjustable rate loan, being that rates are so low right now. Now the third thing after that is you would go out and look for a home. Of course that's already, a little bit of a process right there. So you would make offers, and then once those are accepted, that means you are now in contract. And now once you're in contract, what we do is we submit your loan to the actual lender for underwriter approval, and then we get a conditional approval. As soon as that happens, we order your appraisal. And third-party appraiser will go out, look at the property, run some comparable sales within 1 mile of the property, they must have sold within the last 6 months, and they will make a subjective opinion of value on what they think the value should be. It may be lower, it may be higher. So once that's decided, then we'll have to figure out what to do from there. Now, after that, we'd have to gather all the conditions that were revealed on the approval. Because even though you do have an approval, it's still a conditional approval. And what they do is they give us all the conditions in order to have a clean approval, or what we call cleared for docs. Now once that happens, we'll be cleared for docs. We can order the docs. Docs means the documents that you're going to be signing at the title company, those thick set of documents. Aside from what you already signed at the application process. Once you do that, then you sign your loan docs at the title company, and that has to be in front of a notary. And the most important document at your doc signing is your note. And in the note would be the promise to pay with all the terms and monthly payments and things like that that you need to watch out for. Of course, the settlement closing statement as well. Now and then, as soon as you sign your loan docs and the docs get back to the funder reviews this, and they may have more conditions after that. But typically it's just, maybe an additional pay stub or something pretty simple. Or usually title company has some clerical errors or things like that. So once that happens, we're cleared for funding, then we can fund, and then the next day we record. So then now we have a final closing, and then you're able to move into your property. So hopefully this has been an informative explanation of the loan process. If you have any questions, give me a call. My name is Mary Lou Edwards. I'm at 925-285-5333, or you can check out my website at www.marylouedwards.com. Thanks for listening.